Hey everyone, Levinrad over here, and I'm standing in Fort Pierce, Florida, in front of a property that just finished the renovations. Let's go ahead inside and take a look. All right, so we're inside the house, and basically the look that we're going for is the gray look. I always joke that I've got two looks. I got the brown look and the gray look, right? So this is the gray interior. So essentially what we're doing is we're going with the color themes of gray, white, and silver. So we've got a gray floor. This is the laminate flooring that you can get at Home Depot. It's called Life Proof. It's like $2.99 a square foot. We've got gray color for our paint, white 4-inch baseboards, and in the kitchen we're using the white cabinets, white quartz, and stainless steel. So let's go ahead and show you what the kitchen looks like. Okay, so this is the kitchen. So we're going with stainless steel appliances. So we get these packages for around $1,800. Basically stainless steel refrigerator, microwave, stove, and dishwasher, right? And then for the cabinets, we're using white cabinets. This is a typical Home Depot white cabinet. For the countertops, this is quartz. So we use granite and quartz. We actually prefer in the brown color. We go with granite, but in the specific white theme. So remember the color theme here, we're going white, gray, silver. So here's your white, and there's white, this is white, and this is silver, and the black splash is gray, and the flooring is gray, and the paint of the walls is gray, right? So that's the color theme that we're going with. This backsplash is also standard Home Depot, but as you can see, the look comes together right pretty well. And when you're marketing a house and you're trying to sell it to a first-time home buyer, that's what you want, right? You want a good look. This is not a high-end neighborhood. This house will probably list on the MLS for about $129,000. An alternative exit strategy would be to simply put a tenant in place and put a 15-year mortgage on the property. You know, so a lot of these properties, they're purchased initially for cash. We're using a private lender or a institutional lender to stabilize the property and repair it. In this case, this property was purchased for $60,000, and we spent around $20,000, including the interior and the central air. Now that we've done that, we can either just put it on the market and sell it for the $129,000 and be done with it, and take our profit, pay our taxes. Or the second option is we simply go and rent it out for $1,200 a month. We put a tenant in place, and then we go ahead and put a 15-year mortgage on it, a regular bank financing mortgage, and property price should double in the next 15 years, and the property rent should double as well. And that's assuming that prices are going up at just 4.8% per year, right? So this is how you do it. This was originally a bank-owned property, purchased for cash, fixed it up, got two different exit strategies. Your best exit strategy for creating wealth is going to be to simply refinance and put a tenant in place and hold it for the long term. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.